Welcome to Tech Watch and this week's latest news. This week we will look at GITEX 2022, the world's largest exhibition of robots and future technologies which took place in Dubai. With so many revolutionary developments, innovative technologies, futuristic solutions, robots and unmanned cars, we've chosen all the most interesting things for you in today's episode, so watch to the end and subscribe to the channel. The World Trade Center's 20 halls accommodated over 500 companies who brought their latest solutions and concepts, hoping to interest the government of the United Arab Emirates, which actively innovates in a variety of areas of life in their country. Dubai Metaverse strategy foresees the creation of more than 40,000 new virtual jobs in the Emirates by 2030. Intelligent devices, unmanned vehicles, and mixed reality are how the Dubai and Emirati authorities see the near future. So let's take a look at the best exhibits from the show. Ameca, which recently gained the ability to answer visitors' questions on their own without an operator hidden in the background. Ameca is currently the most famous humanoid to perform with realistic facial expressions and unique designs using the movements of the face, head, shoulders, and arms. The robot imitates human reactions. In Dubai, the robot shown not only part of Etisalat's cutting-edge exhibit but also a new exhibit or collaborator at the Museum of the Future. At the stand of the digital telecommunications company Etisalat, among other things, there was a flying motorcycle from XTurizmo. The XTurizmo limited edition in Dubai. In general, there's a great interest in unmanned and flying vehicles. Negotiations with the Dubai police to create flying hover bikes were led by a company with Russian roots called GITEX. Now a startup from Tokyo has hit the spotlight at GITEX. Its XTurizmo is equipped with a standard engine and 4 additional battery-powered engines. The developers promise a 40-minute flight at speeds of up to 100 km per hour. The biggest premiere at GITEX Global was the presentation of the X2 flying car. It included a public takeoff flight and safe landing of the 5th-generation aero-mobile from the Chinese company XPeng. Although prototypes have been around for ages, the actual commercial flying car is still quite elusive, and now finally the eVTOL X2 autonomous 2-seat electric vehicle marks a new era of short-haul flights and mobile solutions. Based on artificial intelligence, at least that's what the manufacturers are claiming. The X2 has a maximum takeoff weight of 760 kg and weighs 560 kg without passengers. It can reach a maximum speed of 130 km per hour and offers a 35-minute flight time. Constructed from high-quality carbon fiber, the vehicle is equipped with a parachute for safety. Whether XPeng was able to secure a contract in Dubai to launch this airmobile is not yet known. The Japanese startup Skydrive brought its prototype of an unmanned cab to the show. The stellar GITEX 2021 was a concept car from Mercedes called Avatar. This year, the futuristic Cadillac InnerSpace autonomous electric car conquered the show with its design. The 2-seat vehicle focused on allowing passengers to completely disconnect and enjoy the ride without worrying about driving. For passenger comfort, not only the doors are lifted up but also the roof of the car. The windshield is only a tribute to tradition, as half of it is covered by a huge curved display that shows media with its own software based on the operating system Ultify from Linux. There's no familiar controls. They're not needed. Cadillac InnerSpace is only a concept as of now, but it's fully consistent with the concept of converting 25% of all transportation in Dubai to fully autonomous by 2030. Also on display was a robotic microscope with VHS technology. A specially designed head display allows the surgeon to interact with the robotic arm on which the microscope is mounted. To increase the accuracy and speed of complex surgeries, the robotic scope detects the surgeon's head movement and controls the robot's camera accordingly. In the front of the surgeon's eyes are two digital micro-displays that show a three-dimensional image of the operating field in real time, while the robotic arm and camera head perform the corresponding movements with high precision. Other exhibits at the show include a giant 3D head from the General Office of Resident and Alien Affairs. It told visitors how biometrics would be used outside of airports and at border checkpoints. Specifically, biometrics could speed up financial transactions at all air, land, and seaports in Dubai. Other technology presented at GITEX Global 2022 was the PillBot, a robotic tablet from Silicon Valley-based company EndiaTX. It allows you to perform endoscopy in the comfort of your own home. Simply swallow the polycarbonate pill filled with water and call the doctor on Zoom. The pill passes through the gastrointestinal tract, splashes water in 6 different directions, and allows you and your doctor to watch a fascinating or not so fascinating video. If the doctor sees something that can be treated with pills, they can prescribe them on the spot. A mini robot developed by the Dubai Institute for Technological Innovation can follow people or explore spaces to find in case of accidents. It's designed for use in factories and warehouses. Promobot also featured at GITEX 2022, bringing an unexpected solution called Robot Heads. Smart heads are a separate ready-made solution. They can communicate with the audience, answer questions, and help employees from various organizations. According to the developers, proprietary technology and patented designs allow the robot to reproduce more than 600 variants of human micromimicry. To maintain the dialogue, the robots use their own dialogue platform, Promobot and nested chat. It allows you to understand text and spoken language. Humanoid droids of robot model are in great demand in the Middle East. Also on display was Robosculptor, a continuation of the idea of a robotic masseur. Whereas earlier manipulators mostly worked with 1 or 2 body zones, and this robot could not only do a professional massage but also make aesthetic corrections to the whole body. The developers claim lymphatic drainage, anticellulite effect, and therapy after exercise. There were several unmanned vehicles at GITEX, including the Cruise Origin, according to the Director General of the Dubai Roads and Transportation Authority. These robot cars will be deployed in limited numbers next year, and the number will increase over time. Another autonomous vehicle on display was the taxi minibus. It will be used for the first time during the Etihad Airways Grand Prix Abu Dhabi. In November, the bus will stop at 8 points on Yes Island and carry up to 7 passengers at a time. LED screens in the cabin show passengers a map of the route. In free mode, an impressive exhibit was the Thermite RS3 robot firefighter from Howe Howe. The robot's powered by a 36.8 Yangma engine and reaches speeds of up to 13 km/h and has ranges of up to 500 meters. It can deliver water flows at 2,500 gallons per minute. For maximum maneuverability in challenging environments, there were several drones at GITEX. But the most interesting solution was the Neo Octocopter from FlyCam. The drone is produced by Ace Core Technologies in the Netherlands and FlyCam, in cooperation with radiation instrument manufacturers. A humanoid robot dressed as a construction worker was seen in one of the pavilions. It interacted with people, but most likely reading a pre-recorded program about the booth. The Swiss company Swissmile was rocking a robot at the show, but were unable to find any videos of its performance. At GITEX, Swissmile is a partner of Robotic Systems Lab of the Zurich University of Technology and is developing the animal robot in the company's version. The robot can traverse the roughest terrains at speeds of up to 20 km/h and balance on 2 legs. In humanoid mode, the 4-legged robot can be used commercially for surveillance during large-scale building inspections or search and rescue operations. It can carry and deliver items up to 100 kilograms. The Dubai Electricity and Water Authority demonstrated its four-legged robot Mwafeq for checking and auditing stations and reading meters in remote areas. As you may have guessed its spot, Boston Dynamics adapted to detect faults and checks that connection points of high-voltage cables. Autonomy's OttoBot mobile robots made an appearance at GITEX. These robotic deliveries have already proven themselves at the Cincinnati and Rome airports, where they deliver food and duty-free goods to waiting passengers. Businesses can rent delivery robots on a subscription basis and order customization to add cooling or heating to food and beverages. For example, foreign Acer demonstrated at the Acer booth Spatial Labs the capability of turning an ordinary monitor into 3D. The technology enables an immersive experience to an advanced optical system real-time display and visualization solutions. The tool combines eye-tracking stereoscopic 3D displays, real-time visualization capabilities, and artificial intelligence. Service humanoid robots developed in Saudi Arabia were also not left out of the show. Subscribe to the Tech News channel. Like this video and don't miss any new episodes from the world of high tech, and if you want to be in the know about the latest news, join our community.